Yes.
Ate Luna!
Hi! Hi, cute! Hello!
Luna, this is Kelsey, my sister.
Hi, Luna. It's nice to finally meet you.
I feel the same way too, though.
Ano ka ba? Kelsey na lang.
Where's mom and dad?
Oh yeah, we're just waiting for the reservation. Tara, let's go see them.
Okay.
Kio, let's go. Mom, Dad, look who's here.
Luna, I'm glad you can join us today. It's nice to see you two together.
Thank you, Pudo.
Mom, Luna wants to say hi.
Hi, Pudo.
Architect Valeria, it's so good to see you.
Thank you po for inviting me. And you can call me Luna.
Your martinis,
Yeah.
table's ready.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, Kalix, can I talk to Luna privately?
Go ahead.
Sure.
Luna, I've never seen Kalix smile this much. Not even when he topped the bar. So, I think you're really making him happy.
Try my best to be there for him po.
You know what, Luna? Kalix and I did not have the best relationship. We had issues. We still argue every now and then. But I love my son dearly. And I'm glad that he found someone to love and care about. Luna, you promised me you'll continue being there for Kalix because you're good for him.
Yes po. Thank you po. I'll support Kalix no matter what.
Really?
Yes po.
Thank you. Thank you, Luna. Luna, am I making you nervous? Your hand's cold. Don't be, okay? I'm just like this, but I don't bite. You know how mothers are. Oh,
Mom,
yeah?
Luna, everything all right?
Yeah. We were talking about you.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes.